Hello, I'm Kevin Heiser. I'm the president of QStart Labs here in Columbus, Ohio.
Hi.
Wanted to take a few minutes during the IT Martini Hour 8, learn a little bit about you guys, learn a little bit about eEvent,
Sure.
and understand what you're trying to accomplish.
Absolutely.
So to start off, why don't we start with Andy? If you can tell me a little bit about yourself, about your organization and what you're doing, it'd be much appreciated.
My name is Andy. I am the marketing guy. I'm just the go-getter guy to promote this eEvent. I'm glad to be part of this eEvent team. Eddie here is the brain behind all that. What eEvent does actually is solving problems to manage very complex festivals, fairs, expos, very complex event with multiple committees. And we make managing multiple committees, managing complex events to be as easy as possible. And if I have the opportunity, I'll show you how easy it is to manage guest registration, for example, using eEvent. But I'll let Eddie to tell more about the core of the eEvent. Okay?
Eddie, if you can tell us a little bit about the technology and the architecture that you've designed and how that works for your users.
Sure. Everything in eEvent is built based on PHP. And we are using the architectural itself is mainly we are using a 2D barcode. We call it a QR barcode like this one. What it does is it only contains your name and the spatial ID. But technically, really, this is your personal identification system because it's not only function as a ticket, but it's also function for anything else that's supported in our system. So it can be your parking tag. It can be your parking tag. It can also be used as the payment system, like a debit card, for example. So you can use this for many things because this is your personal identification system, and you can reuse it. You don't have to print it. You can save it on your cell phone, so that you don't have to waste any paper. But and the good thing is, if you lost it, you can just print it, or you can just generate it. You can just go back to our website and generate it very easily.
And who is the target customer that you guys are trying to approach?
The target customer, like Andy said, this is built toward the multiple committee event. But mainly we use a festival, expo, maybe like political rallies. Also, IT Martini can also use it for any event that is basically use multiple committee.
And what is your business model? How do you monetize the incredible product you guys have?
I'll let Andy answer.
We are modular based, so we sell the module to the event organizer. So if the bigger the event organizer, the bigger the event is, the more module they're going to use. And we make it very affordable by selling them at very low startup costs. And we charge them monthly, basically monthly for improvement, for maintenance, for upgrades and all that. And for example, these are all different modules that we have. Each module has different features, maybe hundreds or so different features. But let's say you are managing IT Martini, you don't really need to use all these features. You can just use one feature. And this is the feature that IT Martini can use, for example, guest registration. As a guest, when you register using eEvent, you will be assigned a code. And when you come to IT Martini, John Bishop here can just use his iPhone or his Android phone to scan the code. There you go. And identify who came. Is Lauren, Samantha. Get extra info. Or, if you don't want to use a phone, you can use just regular card. Scan it right here. Using regular scanner. And this is my picture. This is one function that will save lots of time and lots of papers. That's why we go green on that.
Excellent. Well, I definitely appreciate your guys' time tonight. Good luck on the Community Choice Awards, and have a wonderful evening.